Welcome back to Healthy Eats and Wisdom, your go-to source for transforming health and embracing vitality through informed eating habits and lifestyle changes. Today we're delving deeper into the realms of intermittent fasting, IF, and the ketogenic diet, unraveling how these practices can revolutionize your health journey. Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle adjustment that harnesses your body's natural rhythms, promoting weight loss, enhancing mental clarity, and fostering cellular repair. But how do you start? Let's break it down. To ease into intermittent fasting, or IF, begin with shorter fasting periods, perhaps starting with 12 hours of fasting and gradually increasing the IF hours once a month. Aim for the 16/8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. As you become more comfortable, you might explore the 18/6 method, narrowing your eating window further for deeper health benefits. Hydration plays a pivotal role in the success of intermittent fasting. During fasting hours, it's crucial to drink plenty of water. Unsweetened beverages like black coffee and tea are also great choices, but remember, adding sugar can break your fast by triggering an insulin response. Keeping hydrated helps manage hunger and maintains energy levels. The ketogenic diet reshapes your metabolism, focusing on fat as the primary fuel source. It's a precise balance of high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate intake that propels your body into ketosis. On a keto diet, focus on healthy fats from both plant and animal sources. Avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds are excellent plant-based fats, while grass-fed meat, fatty fish, and high-fat dairy products provide animal-based fats. Remember, the goal is to keep carb intake low to maintain ketosis. Integrating intermittent fasting with the ketogenic diet amplifies fat burning and autophagy, pushing your health benefits to new heights. By restricting your eating window and focusing on keto-friendly foods, you create a powerful synergy that supports weight loss, enhances brain function, and improves metabolic health. As you embark on this journey, listen to your body and adjust as needed. Some may find a strict ketogenic diet challenging to maintain long-term, while others might prefer the flexibility intermittent fasting offers. The key is finding a balance that works for you, allowing for sustainable health improvements. Thank you for joining us today on Healthy Eats and Wisdom channel. This journey is about more than just weight loss. It's about unlocking your full health potential through informed dietary choices. If you're inspired to take control of your health with intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Eats and Wisdom channel. Together, let's embrace a life of wellness and vitality. Stay healthy, stay wise, and see you in the next video.